So with my knee no longer hurting me, I'm able to live my life here in this urban setting, whether it's walking the kids to school, taking them to the playground, walking the dog. I have no limitations anymore. My name is Chris. I live in Hoboken, New Jersey here with my wife, children, and my dog. I work in biotechnology industry, marketing new innovative products for cancer diagnostics. So having the knee injury definitely dampened my spirits. It prevented me from doing the things that I enjoy doing to the level that I enjoy doing them. I went to visit the specialist, and after ordering a couple of MRIs and X-rays, we saw that there was damage to my articular cartilage, and we discussed options. We discussed some of the more traditional options, like using cadaver cartilage to patch the injury, as well as harvesting cartilage from elsewhere in my knee. And then the doctor brought up CARTIHEAL Agili-C Cartilage Repair Implant and introduced this new methodology of using coral-based aragonite to regrow the cartilage in my knee. Here you've got a product from nature that you can use to help heal your own body and restore function. Really, at the end of the day, it's the outcomes that mattered. I was excited about the prospect of going through the procedure. The idea that I could heal and regrow my own cartilage and potentially get the function back that I had prior to the injury was an exciting prospect. So I had the CARTIHEAL procedure a little more than 2 years ago, and the recovery was as I expected, a little bit of physical therapy, and I was right back to my norm within a couple of months. My knee feels great right now. And the way that I think about it is I don't feel my knee anymore, which is the greatest outcome that I could have expected. The fact that I don't think about my knee is exactly what I was hoping for with this procedure. A couple of months ago, my doctor gave me the clear to go full force and treat my knee as if I had not had any procedure on it. And since then, the workouts have not been altered whatsoever. These are just normal workouts, going for runs. I don't favor one leg or the other. And at this point, they are equal in strength. I feel no discomfort. I feel CARTIHEAL contributed to this success by offering a minimally invasive way to save my knee, and by regrowing my cartilage and restoring the anatomy to where it was, it enabled me to press rewind and take myself back to before the injury had happened. If you are a candidate for CARTIHEAL, I would highly recommend, based on my experience, to go forward with the CARTIHEAL procedure. I am extremely pleased with this procedure to restore my own cartilage, which has given me the ability and opportunity to keep living my life on my terms.